Where'd you go? Hi, bud. Oh no! Oh no!
Woo! Okay, this is gonna be easy. Sorry, buddy.
This random guy walked behind the counter at a restaurant and pretended that he worked there and started taking orders.
I can help you right here. Right next in line. You're next. Okay. Hey, what can I get for you? Okay. Yeah, we actually have our pick two. Yeah, you pick two, so you can get like a sandwich, a bowl of soup.
A manager then asked him where his work uniform was.
Yeah, sorry, I forgot my apron at home. Yeah. You want me to just go to the back and get a new one? Yeah. Okay.
He pretended to get a new apron and then just left.
Thank you.
Okay. Why do you like the earlobes? It's crazy.
This is a speed chess competition where each side has 3 minutes to finish a game of chess. Just to show off his confidence, this chess champion spent his first 20 seconds on the clock getting comfy. He ended up winning with over 40 seconds left to spare. This person likes to pretend that she's sad to get cute reactions from her dogs. There's a sport where the objective is to take a toy torpedo and throw it into the opponent's goal. The hard part is that both goals are deep underwater and people are allowed to try and wrestle it away from you. This person likes to go to protests and draw the action. That's the end of this video. I really hope you enjoyed, and I'll see you guys again very, very soon. Later. This person got a little too close to the blowhole of a whale. This snowboarder triggered an avalanche and this rabbit was about to get buried. The rabbit was so fast that it ran over the top of the avalanche and escaped. This thing is the very definition of an all-terrain vehicle. These scientists wanted to observe the aerodynamics of birds by having them fly through soap bubbles. There's a strange science experiment called the Pharaoh Serpent that can make it look like you spawned something from another world. A wakeboarder found a perfectly flat lake to ride on. This drone got a little too close to this crocodile. This is how dangerous the coronavirus is compared to other, more notable recent outbreaks. That's the end of this video. Hopefully you learned something new, and I'll see you guys again very soon. Later. 1,000-year-old mummy to a hospital to scan his throat. They wanted to scan his throat because they wanted to learn what this mummy sounded like. For the first time in over 3,000 years, scientists were able to create this one sound of what this person probably sounded like. That is what a 3,000-year-old mummy sounds like.
Dobby, blue blue.
This driver ran into a giant rock and didn't even really seem to notice. This is called a life straw, and the purpose is that it allows you to drink clean, filtered water from dirty places. To see if it actually works, this person took some water from a pond and put it under a microscope. Under the microscope, you can see many things living in this pond water. He then took some pond water using the life straw to see if the microorganisms were filtered out. Here's a good visual of how much $1 billion is.
So let's say 1 grain of rice is equivalent to 100K, and 10 grains of rice would be then a million. Well, how much is a billion? So my Saturday night consisted of counting 10,000 grains of rice, one by one. That is $1 billion, where each grain of rice is worth 100K. I just bought you like a Lamborghini right here, and I didn't even notice it was gone.
This is a blue button jellyfish. This person can make a paper origami swan using only his mouth. That's the end of this video. I really hope you enjoyed, and I'll see you guys again very soon. Later, with slow motion. This poor guy is having a difficult time saying Happy Valentine's Day.
Happy Valentine's Day. Happy Valentine's Day. Perfect? I thought, yeah. Okay, let's see it. Tell her.
I'm sorry, sir. I can't understand you.
These people wanted to experience the thrill of standing behind an airplane that's about to take off. The back window of this person's car got completely flipped because of the force of the wind.
Hello.
Here's a behind-the-scenes look of how this stop-motion animation was made. This dad made a viral video with his daughter being amazed with looking at tools.
Look at this one.
The company that makes the tools saw the video and sent her an entire box full of trowels.
That's a lot of trowels, huh?
Hello.
This person created the perfect loop. This is why you probably shouldn't give yourself a haircut.
Oh, no, 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 no. Oh my god, oh my god. I'm about to cry. No!
That's the end of this video. I really hope you enjoyed, and I'll see you guys again very, very soon. Later.